Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from class 6.4.4. One play oration by the teacher CP2, the cultural heroes of Betawi. Muhammad Daniel R. will be Pitu. Osama bin Laden will be the master of Pitu. Honda Al-Isra and Said Amurwazi will be the soldiers of Portuguese. Muhammad Ikram Al-Jazira will be the big boss.
Big boss.
Muhammad Ikram, Muhammad Arif, and Juanda Syaputra will be the villagers. Let this story begin. Once upon a time, when Indonesia attacked by Portuguese, there was someone named Pitu. He have a magic power. He can scare by bullet, and Pitu so able silat. One day, Pitu has practiced with his teacher. When Pitu go home after practice, he wrote some Portuguese words from villagers. Hey! Give me your money. I have some money. Quickly give your money. Still, please. Forgive me. Soldier! This is money, boss. Oi, why you lie, huh? What is this, huh? I'm sorry, but this is my last money. Please, don't touch me. I don't care. I don't care. Please, don't take it. Hey, don't take his money. What's your problem, huh? That is not your money. Don't take it. Soldier, shoot! Huh? Shoot again! cannot make me hurt. Fight, fight! Who are you? My name is Pitu. I'm from Betawi. Run! Are you okay? Okay, thank you, Pitu. After our villagers' money taken by Portuguese, Pitu want to robbery the money from big boss of Portuguese. And after that, Pitu will give that money to the poor villagers.
Ya, mari, mari, mari. Tahu aja ya.
Sleepy. When Big Boss know his money was lost, he thinking, how this happened? What happened to my cupboard? Where's my money? Soldier! Soldier! Wait, where's my money? I don't know. Maybe Pitu robbery your money. Pitu, huh? I think so, Pitu. We have to defeat Pitu. Before that, we have to know what is the flabbiness of Pitu. We will ask the flabbiness of Pitu to his teacher. I think he's not. Soldier, you have a new mission. Search who is the master of the Pitu. Now! Okay. have to tell the boss. Teacher, I want to go home. Yes. After soldiers know who is master of Pitu, he gives this information to the boss, and then they go to him. That is the teacher of Pitu. Oi! Oi! What do you want? Tell me what is the blackness of Pitu? Fight! You lost! The master of it. Hey, Master of Pitu. I want to know something from you. Tell me what is the flappiness of Pitu? Now! Now, I come now. My age like. You don't want to tell me, huh? Don't tell you. Soldier! If you don't want to tell me now, I will kill you. No problem. Kill me now. You don't scare, huh? Hey, listen. After I kill you, I will kill all of the Rangers. I give you time. 1. Yes. The flagness of Pitu, the rotten egg. Rotten egg? Hey! Yes. Really? Yes, really. Rotten egg. Okay, soldier. Now our mission is search the rotten egg and we find what to do. Go. After Big Boss know about that, he searched to Rotten Egg and he's go to Pitu because he want to kill him. Hello? Okay.
Yang benar no.
Hello, Pitu. What do you want? You want to kill me?
Ha?
I have something to you. Look. What is that? That's your problem. Soldier! Why? Soldier, use this. What's this? Rotten egg. Yes. Rotten shoot. You lost. Soldier. Hey, don't touch my statue. Soldier, run! Run! Do you kill me with this? Go away from my pleasure. Go away! Thank you, Bitung. After Portuguese leave Bitung village, all villagers live happy forever. Dirgahayu Indonesia. I think you know about our story. CP2, the cultural hero from Betawi. Before I go down, we say together, Merdeka! 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 Okay, let's we say Assalamualaikum